If your front-load washing machine doesn't drain properly or smells bad, watch this video. I will show you step by step how to narrow down and fix the problem. I use Whirlpool Duet Washer as an example, but this method applies to any front-load washer. Let's start. For this job, you will need 1/4-inch nut driver, channel lock, water container, used toothbrush, and the rags. First, shut off the water supply and unplug power for safety. First, you need to access the drain filter. For Whirlpool Duet Washer with a pedestal drawer, I have to remove the lower front panel to access the drain filter. For convenience, I also take out the pedestal drawer by removing one screw on each side of a track. Now I'm taking out the 3 mounting screws at the bottom and then remove front lower panel. Now get the racks and the water container ready. Use the channel lock, gently turn drain filter lid counterclockwise. Crack open the drain filter. Let water drain slowly. After you drain most of the water, take the filter out. You can see the filter has already caught a few coins, hair clips, and the paper clips. And then you can put the drain filter into the laundry sink to clean it. Take this opportunity to use finger to turn impeller blade. You feel resistance, but at some point you feel free. That's a good sign. If you turn impeller blade, you feel no resistance, totally free. The pump probably dead. After that, clean the filter housing. Also take this opportunity to check the hose from top to the pump. Gently squeeze to feel if there is a small item clogged there. If it is, you have to disconnect the hose to unclog it. After that, disconnect the drain hose at the back of the washer to clean it. Or, I got a new drain hose. It's not expensive. It's a time to put everything back and the test run. When you put the filter back into the housing, pay attention to the tab on the filter and the groove on the filter housing. Slide the tab into the groove and then tighten it. Connect the new drain hose. Mount the front lower panel back. Tighten the 3 screws. Last, mount the pedestal drawer back on and the test run. Water should drain very well. However, if water still doesn't drain, click this upper left video to check your pump. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for more video coming up. Thank you. See you next time.